DEPRAG Cockpit, your step into the network factory. Start the digital transformation of your production with DEPRAG Cockpit. Networking, supervision, analysis, optimization. At a glance, you can check the smooth running of your production and determine if any intervention is required. DEPRAG Cockpit is browser-based and flexible. Process monitoring, process documentation, and notifications are available anytime, anywhere. The simple way to create and organize your screwdriving programs. Use the DEPRAG Cockpit as your central administration tool for all registered devices. Preventive maintenance. The package includes automatic reminder functions for maintenance, realignment, or upkeep of your screwdriving tools. Visually display all your devices in a structured overview. System messages appear automatically if any anomalies occur with your screwdriving tools. Create any number of different assembly guides. The intuitive operator guidance simplifies training of new employees, improves quality and productivity, and reduces the error rate and waste costs. Final values and screwdriving curves are recorded automatically. Comprehensive process data are available for analysis. User-friendly, customizable display of all process data simplifies analysis. Any anomalies which occur during the process are detected quickly. Predictive maintenance. The software uses various parameters to evaluate the current status of your devices and automatically provides early warning of potential breakdowns. Straightforward, target-oriented setup and flexible expansion of the system according to your requirements. DEPRAG Cockpit, integrated single-source Industry 4.0 solutions.